Our mom set up the Christmas tree, which we are going to set up like normal right here. Where we're standing.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Now this is going to be the most magical moment. Hello. Ta-da! These are the handmade ornaments. If you're not sure how to make these, make sure to check on the link below. So we're going to pick one for our Christmas tree this year and the other for our friends. So I'll get this one to probably over here. Santa Claus is coming to town. So, have you set up your Christmas tree yet? If not, ask your mom and dad if you can help set up your Christmas tree. And for us, we're needing to get some Christmas presents and decorating our home. Happy holidays! Also, don't forget to subscribe Pearl and Mickey by pressing the subscribe button. And don't forget to also hit the like. And to search out for more information, please search up Pearl and Mickey. Thank you!